Hi there, this is Fixed It. I have a couple of control surfaces that I want to use remotely. So I bought this Yamaha Bluetooth MIDI in and out. It's the Yamaha MD-BT01. So let's open the box. As we can see, there's an instruction sheet and there's the MIDI adapter. Very nice construction, protected by some plastic on the outside. Obviously I'll take that off when I go to use it. Has a symbol indicating MIDI in and out, and there's the other one. And also, even though you can't see it, there is an LED on this as well, so the LED will light up to show that it works. It's also a good indicator to see whether or not it's going to work. There are some cheaper Chinese units on the market that also have a micro USB slot to power them. With the Yamaha, there's no micro USB. So this obtains its power solely from the MIDI device it's connected to. So what I'm going to do now is to plug this into my Fader Fox DX2 device, which is a controller, and see whether or not it works. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.